Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today we are talking about tulle dresses, the perfect blend of elegance, femininity and a touch of magic. If you are ever want to feel like a modern day princess, this is the video for you. Let's start with the stunning blush pink tulle dresses. Tulle is all about volume and layers, and his dress delivers. The light, airy fabrics make a perfect for special occasions like weddings, proms, or even a fancy brunch. Pair it with delicate jewelry and nude heels for a look that boosts ethereal and chic. Next up, we have something a little more daring, a black tulle dresses. This one is for those who love to add a bit of edit to their styles while still keeping up femininity. The contrast of the soft tulle dresses with the bold black colors creates a dramatic effects that sure to make a statement, perfect for a night out or a cocktail party. Tulle dresses come in so many styles, so there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer a strappy dresses with the sweet necklines or a long sleeve dress with the delicate leg details, or a simple align stiletto tulle add extra bit for whimsy to any designs. And don't forget about colors, from soft pastel to bold jewel tones. The possibilities are endless. Now when it's come to styling tulle dresses, less is often more than dress. The dress itself, you're usually the star of the whole show, so keep your accessories minimals. A simple pair of earrings, a bracelet and some classic heels are all you need to complement the look. And if you want to add a bit of stretches, a fitted belt can help defines your waist and enhance your stiletto. So you are ready to add a little tulle magic to your wardrobe? Let me know which dresses caught your eyes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to your Fashion Fables for more fashion inspirations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay dreamy and stylish. Tulle dresses.